So, Sarah, when I was a kid, my school had the usual classes, and we could take band class, orchestra class, choir class, and art class if we wanted to take it.
Mm-hmm.
But nowadays, schools are cutting art programs and music programs.
Yeah, I think it's too bad. I think that it's really important for students to take these art classes or music classes. I think it's important for adults to be well-rounded. Even though math and science are so important, I think it's also important that we know a little bit about poetry and art and music and things like that.
Yeah, so in these schools where art programs and music programs are being cut, maybe sometimes they still have clubs, so students can join the music club after school. But I think it's not enough. Students should have the option of taking band class during school. Maybe they can't stay after school and join a club.
Yeah, that's right. You say they should have the option, but I think students should be required to take a few classes like that.
Oh, that's a good idea. Do you think that students should be required to try all of those classes?
Maybe. I think so. But, of course, maybe they don't have time to take a full year of art class. But I think they can take a class where they can study art and music and things like that.
And poetry and theater?
Yes, all together.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I think maybe it's related. Even in elementary school these days in America, they're making recess time so short. They say, we don't have time for recess, for art class, for music. We have to focus on math and science and reading. But I think students won't listen and learn as well if they don't have time to play or sing or dance.
Yeah, some schools it's getting very bad. In fact, I heard about a school where the kids don't have gym class. They don't have PE. And instead of PE class, they took the after lunch recess, and they said, before kids can play by themselves, they must run 3 laps on the track.
Oh.
So they took away the gym class, and they take away the free time.
Boy, I don't want to go to that school.
Yeah.
Cut. Cut. Schools are cutting art programs and music programs. When you cut a program, you reduce it in size or remove it to save money. Notice the following. 1. They plan to cut the sports program. 2. The school needs to cut the music program. Well-rounded. Well-rounded. I think it's important for adults to be well-rounded. When a person is well-rounded, they have a good background in many subjects. Notice the following. 1. She received a well-rounded education. 2. He is very well-rounded. Option. Option. Students have the option of taking band classes during school. When you have the option to do something, you have a choice to do it. Notice the following. 1. We do not have many options. 2. You have the option to leave early if you like. Required. Required. Students should be required to try all those classes. When you are required to do something, you must do it. Notice the following. 1. We are required to pay our taxes. 2. At work, I am required to wear a uniform.